Hey everyone, this is how to use the Referazon CRM. Alright, so we want to log into Referazon and find some Amazon influencers. Perhaps we are in the survival gear niche and we want to find some competitors of ours, and so we're going to type in a competitor name and try to find some people that have been doing some reviews for them so we can get some reviews for them. So we'll say Life Straw review. We'll do search. Referazon is going to go out and find the top performing content driving traffic to Amazon right now, and it's done just that. So let's start with the first one here. So at Referazon, we are a search engine where we find the top performing content from Amazon influencers driving traffic to Amazon right now, and we also help you quickly and easily manage those campaigns and relationships with the influencers in our influencer CRM. So the first thing that you're going to do is say, okay, I'm going to look at this content, perhaps look at some of the other content that this influencer does, and you would make the decision, okay, I'd love to partner with them. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to say track influencer. So now they've been added to your CRM, and they're going to appear in your outreach tracker. Here, you can tag them, and depending on your business, you can tag them in many different ways. If you have multiple SKUs, you might tag them based on the SKU or the name of the product. If you're targeting multiple niches, you might tag them based on the name of the niche or industry or whatever tagging system that makes sense for you. So let's see if we have an existing tag here that makes sense. So let's just say survival gear. We created that tag. So we can see they're an influencer rather than a micro influencer or mega influencer. And we can see here their status. They're pending outreach. And we can leave a note. We'd love to get included on a review article similar to their Life Straw review article. All right, so pending outreach. So your next step is the same process that you're likely doing to get PR for your company, right? You're going to follow the influencer on social media, like, comment, share their content for the next 4 to 5 days. Then after that, you're going to reach out. So the first thing is pending outreach. So your first step is engage on social media. So you set their status as engaging on social media, and you can go begin that process of following them on the various social media channels. Begin liking, commenting on their content, sharing it. In other words, showing that you're interested in working with them and that you enjoy their content. So later when you reach out, whether that's through email or through DM, they've seen you before and they start to become familiar with you. And that creates a situation where they're more likely to respond to your DM or respond to your email. So let's say you've done that for a few days and now you've reached out. So you've set their status as reach out. But what do you say? So what you do is you head over here to outreach templates. And what we've done is if you're reaching out via email, we've given you examples of the top performing subject lines that get opened. Next, you can see multiple different versions of your initial outreach and then some follow-ups. And you're going to want to try different ones. And that's going to be different based on industry, subject matter, etc. But the name of the game with Amazon influencers and influencer marketing in general is it's a numbers game. So you're going to want to try as many as possible. So we go back out to the outreach tracker. And we have quick and easy access to the article we were talking about. And let's say that we've reached out and now they're working on becoming an influencer. You could set them as ongoing discussion. And then you follow up with them and then either they reject you or perhaps you reject them. It's just not a good fit. But if they do become an influencer, simply add them as an influencer, set their status as an influencer. Now they're going to show up in the My Influencers tab. And in the My Influencers section, what you're going to see is the type of influencer they are, any tags that you have associated with them, the size of the influencer, and then influencer actions. So this is what they're doing for you, right? So they may be doing a review for you, or a giveaway, or an article inclusion, or you might be giving them a discount code or a YouTube video. So with an Amazon influencer, naturally, that first piece of content that you get included on, it could be a video, an article, or maybe they'll do a review for you. You want to keep the relationship going, right? And so whether that's every month or every quarter, whatever makes sense for your business, you're going to want to regularly reach out to them and partner with them, giving them promo codes just for their audience, do giveaways, etc. And you can keep track of all that right here quickly and easily. And so let's say that they're doing a review for us. And let's say it's this LifeStraw review here. Let's pretend this is our product. So when you do get featured on a piece of content, whether it's an article or a video, just grab the URL for it, click this purple button, paste in the link, and then you'll see here in the My Featured Content section that will tell you how many people saw the content that you're featured on every month. And it's simple as that. Hope this helps. If you need any more help, please join us in our Facebook group or reach out to us via chat. Take care.